Hey guys, how's it going? It's Hunter from Hunter's Hobby Hangar here with another quick video. I'm gonna just do a quick little snap build of the early grade RX-78-2, the United States Gundam apparently, the American type. So this one's a cool little kit. It's a Target exclusive. It's from the new Gundam Breaker series. Um, I know a lot of people are building these kits right now, a lot of the breaker kits. I've heard good things about them. I'm waiting for mine to come in from USA Gundam because I was dumb and wound up ordering all of them all at once. Or ordering basically by the release date, the original release date. So I have a couple slated together and I'm literally waiting on the Quant to come in at USA Gundam store, and I think like the Live Lance Heaven or something like that. Like one, I have like one on each order. Oh, and the Iron Blooded Orphans, the new one, the Gremory, I think is what. Yeah, the Gremory. So that's what I'm waiting on right now. And then I'll start going through some of those new battle log kits. After I'm kind of done with my Spec Ops series, or I'll just kind of have them in between. But this one's going to be pretty quick since it's an early grade, and I thought it'd be a cool little Gundam to do on the channel. I've seen it with a couple of stickers, which are okay. I'm hoping that they will eventually release like a decal set with some of this stuff. Because some of the stickers are kind of more decal heavy, so I'm hoping that they release a Delpy decal set with some of these, uh, like the stripes you see here, and the stars that are on the shoulder pad here, and then the RX-78 here. I'm kind of split. I might wind up doing a custom paint scheme on this, kind of like an old World War II tank style, so I can use that the the Eagle RX-78 decal that's more um like uh like what I feel like you would see on a tank during World War II. Um, but again, it would almost have to be a water slide decal unless I want to keep the shoulder pad white because of the way the sticker is made. But we'll see what happens. But without further ado, I'm gonna get started on the entry grade American type Gundam, and then we'll go from there. Yep, this thing's gonna be pretty sweet.